In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sticky note in Miro, one of the most popular online collaborative platforms where creativity knows no bounds. Whether you're an old hand at digital whiteboards or just a beginner, this guide is perfect for you. We'll start with the basics and move on to making some stylistic tweaks to ensure your sticky notes fit perfectly into your project. First, upon entering your Miro board, keep your eyes peeled for a small icon on the left-hand toolbar that resembles a sticky note. This little icon is the starting point of our journey today, as it's the magic button that lets you add colorful and insightful sticky notes to your board. Once you've clicked on the sticky note icon, a variety of colors should appear. Choice is key, so pick a color that suits your mood or project needs. Perhaps you're organizing ideas and each color represents a different category or priority level. Picking the right color not only makes your board visually appealing, but also functional. After selecting your preferred color, you'll want to drag the highlighted sticky note to the desired location on your board. This step is crucial as it allows you to organize your thoughts spatially, exactly where you envision them on your virtual canvas. Next, let's address sizing. Sometimes a larger sticky note is necessary to fit all of your brilliant ideas, and sometimes a petite one will suffice. Click on the sticker size options and adjust until you find the perfect fit for the content you plan to add. It's all about finding balance and making sure your viewers can easily read the text without it taking up unnecessary space. Speaking of text, you'll want to ensure it's clear and legible. Click on the font size option and make a selection that complements your sticky note nicely. The goal is to make sure your ideas stand out without overwhelming your audience. Once you've chosen the font size, explore the font style options. Whether you prefer something playful or professional, Miro has a range of styles to match every vibe. Sometimes one sticky note isn't enough. For those moments, you might consider adding a stack of them. Return to the sticky note icon, and this time select a stack. This allows you to shuffle through multiple notes in a neat little pile that you can expand upon as your ideas flourish. Adjust the size of each note within the stack as required to keep everything neat. Changing the fill color of any sticky note is an excellent touch to avoid any monotony in your presentation. Finally, if the standard sticky notes don't quite meet your vision, Miro offers the flexibility to switch between wide and square options. This means you can achieve exactly the look and layout you're going for, with no compromises. And there you have it. With these tips, you're well on your way to mastering the art of sticky notes in Miro, adding flair and organization to all your projects